guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to talk about how to fix a problem when one of your AirPods does not work properly or does not work at all. Well, I have AirPods Pro. You can use any AirPods you have, so it works for any model. In case one of your AirPods does not work, which is the sound from one of your AirPods does not work properly. Okay, so step number one, what you want to do is you want to open your AirPods, want to make sure the AirPods are inserted into the AirPod case. Okay, now we take our iPhone. You want to connect your AirPods to your iPhone first, and then you want to see if the AirPods itself are charged to the 100%. So here it says 100%, but if I take one of the AirPods and remove it from here, now my phone will show me that one of them is charged to 99%, if you can see it on my screen. Okay, well, that is more than enough. Just make sure it's above 90%. Okay, now what we want to do is to put our AirPods back and take our iPhone now. Okay, we can close it for now, unlock it. Now what you want to do, close your AirPods, take your iPhone and go into the settings. We're going into the settings. Now what you want to do is you want to find this search bar at the top of our screen, tap on it once, and then what you want to look for is audio. Then give it some time and it will find the audio and visual tab. You want to tap on it once. Now open this and scroll down until you find this balance section. So here make sure that the balance is not to the left, not to the right, because this balance means that the sound from your AirPods or from your speakers, in our case it's our AirPods, is to the right, which means the full sound will only appear on the right side of the AirPods, only in the right one or in the left one. Well, you want to make sure it's in the middle, so the sound is being spread on both AirPods equally. Okay, so now check if your AirPods are working as they are supposed to. Okay, if not, we will need to reset our AirPods. Put down your phone, take your AirPods, open them, and make sure they're connected to your iPhone. Okay, keep them opened. Now what we want to do, want to close that, we're going back into the settings of our iPhone. Now you want to go and find the Bluetooth settings. Okay, we tap on it once. Now once tapped, you see that AirPods Pro are connected. Once connected, you want to tap on this information icon at the right side of the device. Okay, so we tap on it once. Now we scroll all the way down and press the forget this device button. Okay, press it once, we forget it, you press forget device, that is fine, don't worry about it, you will reconnect it later on. Okay, now once disconnected, what you want to do is to taking your AirPods Pro case, you want to keep it closed and then opened. And now if you rotate it, you'll find that at the back of your case there is this tiny little button, can be seen on the camera, I hope. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to press on it and hold it. Okay, so once you will do that, you will see that the white button appears. Now it starts searching for the device to connect to, but I want you to still holding the button until it changes to a different color. Okay, so you're gonna wait for a bit longer. It can take 10, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Just keep it okay. You can see it change the color. We're still holding for a couple more seconds. Now it's white again. Okay, so then depending on the model of your AirPods, you want to open it once again and reconnect it to your iPhone the same way you did it in the past. Just reconnect it back to your iPhone. This is being done by holding the backside button for 5-10 seconds until the white LED light appears. This means it wants to pair with a new device and you just pair it with your iPhone. Okay, I hope that this method will work for you and will make your iPhone AirPods Pro work as they are supposed to. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.